Hi, Dada. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is Father's Day special, and we have come in this mall. The name of the mall is Deira Mall. It's in Dubai, Deira. The mall is really beautiful and it has wonderful vibes today. So this was the best location for us to celebrate the Father's Day, as Aday was excited to come and play with his father in the gaming zone. So firstly we decided to come here this side in the gaming zone and let them enjoy their dada and son's time. So yeah, father and son's time. So this is what these both are doing. So dada is shooting and Adya is running and playing, and dada is just removing his videos and everything. So this is what it was looking like, and they both were playing here and they both were having fun. Dada was hiding, they were searching him. So this both had a wonderful time here. So it was the best thing to do on the Father's Day, and spend time with each other. So this is what we did here first, and this was a small baby section. They also wanted to visit here, so then we decided to show him this also. So this is what they are doing, guys. See, there is a small baby section, so there is nothing much to play for Adya's age, but he still wanted to see because the color is very bright and he got very attracted seeing all this. And till Manas was just showing him and what all is there, and this was going on. They were having really good time. They even had a very good time in the play area inside on the balloon slide. It was very good, but they couldn't shoot because they were busy playing. So I just got a small clip from them that I showed you now. So this is the whole gaming zone this side, and there were many games. So whichever over of Adya's age, he played them, and after that he wanted to sit in a ride. I will just show you now. So guys, as you can see, Adya is sitting in his favorite car, and he calls it a Lightning McQueen. So it's the red car. It is his favorite car, as you can see. See this. The ride would start in some time, maybe now. Let's see, and let's see Adya's reaction, because at least till now he was crying. So let's see how he reacts now, because his dada is sitting with him. He is okay, but let's see. And it started. Oh, Adya! Yay! He's a bit scared because it is very fast. It doesn't seem, but it is fast. More than Adya, as we can see, Manas is enjoying. So once these two were done playing in the gaming zone, we decided to just roam in the mall. And as we had not had our lunch and it was lunchtime, so we decided to have the lunch as well here in the Little Kamath. This is the very good resort, as you must be knowing. It's an Indian venture. So this was something that we ordered. So it was Father's Day, so we made Manas order everything. So it was all his favorite, and then we took some gifts for him, like we did some shopping for him, and he was really happy. Till then, roaming here and there. It was evening, and then we came back home and ended the day with some delicious pastries that Manas likes. So we ordered it for him. He really loved it. This was a small card that Adya made and gave him, so he was very happy. And this is a small message from me and Adya for Manas on the Father's Day. So this is how we celebrated the Father's Day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye, take care.